Hey everybody, this is Cube Master 8 and I'm going to be teaching you how to solve the 2x2 Rubik's Cube. And this is just my way. I know there's probably something similar to it, but yeah. So first of all, you need 2x2 Rubik's Cube. I'll put the cube in the description, so let's just mix it up. So this is kind of a cube method, but speed method. Oh my gosh, fail. But so what you're gonna want to do is pick any corner, white corner piece, or just any color you want, and put it at the bottom. And now look for white stickers that are in this top layer, and you see how that one is green. Well, we're gonna line it up with this green right here because that's the one we picked, and we're going to twist the right side clockwise, and then twist the top side clockwise, and then bring the side back down. Well, for the rest of this video, I'm going to be using cube notation, just regular cube notation. So go look it up if you don't know it. But now look for more white pieces, and you see how this one is white, red, and blue. Well, line that up with the red white piece, and then do L-I, U-I, L. And so you probably know what to do with the last one. Line it up. R, U, R-I. And so that'll bring you to this. You have the first layer solved, and you have one side solved. Well, if you did it right. And the rest of this video, I'm just going to be pretty much showing you OLL algorithms. That's pretty much what my method is. It's just Ortega OLL and just this at the bottom. But PLL, I do it a little differently. So with this, you have one corner at the bottom. Well, if you have the white at the bottom, and you hold it at the top like this, you're going to see that one corner is in the top. You're going to see that if you have one corner solved and one corner right there, you're going to want to do this. You're going to put that at the bottom left, and you're going to go R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime. That will solve that case. I'll cut all this out, don't worry.
Okay. This is hilarious.
This is why I need 20 minutes. Okay, in this case, I have highlights right here, and then I have these two corners solved. We're going to hold it so highlights on the left side and these on the right side. And you're going to go F, R, U, R prime, U prime, F prime. And then that'll solve that case.
Stop going after every sentence.
On this case, we have two diagonal solved edges. You want to have this one at the bottom left on the PLO layer, and with these at the top, and you're going to go F, R, U prime, R prime, U prime, R, U, R prime, F prime. That'll solve that case. Okay, in this case, we're going to have a white corner right there, and a white, yellow corner right there, and a yellow corner right there. And you're going to want to do this. You're going to have to put that corner at the top right, and you're going to want to go R, U2, R prime, U prime, R, U, R prime.
Wait. Are you playing this out?
Yeah. You can laugh a little bit.
So come and lift it. I know it's time to look right at your brownie. Here's my number. So come and live it.
Now you know why
What?
now you know why I need 20 minutes.
Well, why does this require 20 minutes? Oh, okay, we thought we were playing out.
Yeah.
That makes sense.
Okay, so here's this case where you have opposite facing corners and you have these two soft corners. You want to hold this one on the left. You're gonna want to put the solved ones at the top on the right, and then this on the PLL area on the left. And you're gonna want to do R, U, R prime, U prime, R prime, F, R, F prime. And that'll solve that case. So that is pretty much it for the OLL algorithms. And so right here, we're moving on to the PLL. So, but right here, I have to do the Y perm, where they're diagonal facing corners. The algorithm for this one is F, R, U prime, R prime, U prime, R, U, R prime, F prime, R prime, U, R prime, U prime, R prime, F, R, F prime. And then that'll solve the cube. So if you have any questions, please leave a comment in the description. I mean, you don't have to use my method. It's not very good because I'm not by any means a speed solver. I mean, my fastest on this is like 10 seconds. I mean, so, but if you have any questions, leave a comment in the description. And so, yeah.